Okay, but
Kita.
in the end, you guys usually say, see you on Monday, right? See you on tomorrow, right? Yes or no? Okay, but this time, I want all of you to say, see you when I see you. Can we do that?
Yeah.
Again, okay? See you when I see you. Okay, all together. See you
When I see you.
Okay, so you guys want to sing now? Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Goodbye,
Bye, my friends. I'll see you again.
Goodbye, my friends. See you soon.
Goodbye, goodbye, sayonara. Goodbye, goodbye, sayonara.
See you when